Welcome. In this video, I'll show exactly how to turn on notifications for group requests on Instagram using your PC. With the latest update, Instagram has made a few changes to where these settings are located, so if you've been struggling to find them, this will clear things up quickly. First, open your preferred browser and go to the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into your account, otherwise you won't be able to access your settings. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on those 3 lines to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page, where you can control different aspects of your account. Inside the Settings page, look for the Notifications option and click on it. This section allows you to manage how and when Instagram alerts you about activity. Next, find and select Push Notifications. This is where you can customize specific types of alerts that Instagram sends to you. Scroll through the list until you find Group Requests. Once you locate it, you'll see options for managing notifications related to group chats and requests. To make sure you never miss any group request, select the On option under Group Requests. This will enable notifications so you're immediately informed whenever someone adds you to a group or sends a request.